Well, according to South Carolina's Department of Transportation, 2010 is shaping up to be one of the safest years on the roads.
Officials say there were 800 fatalities for the year, but members of the Highway Patrol say that's one too many, and they're not taking any chances this New Year's Eve weekend. CN2's Alison Rauch is standing by at a major Rock Hill thoroughfare, and Alison, it seems traffic is already beginning to pick up.
Traffic on Interstate 77 is already beginning to pick up, and highway officials expect those numbers to double as people get off of work and are traveling to and from their New Year's Eve destinations. Highway Patrol wants you to have fun this New Year's Eve, but if you drink, give up those keys. A local mother knows that message all too well. The night of January 21st, 2001 is still clear in Pam Taylor's mind.
I just remember dropping to the floor and then letting out this sound that only a parent that's lost a child can make that sound.
Her 18-year-old daughter, Kelli, never made it home that night. This was the scene on Gold Hill Road in Fort Mill after she and two other teens were involved in a terrible crash.
That was a conversation we had many times about drinking and driving.
Investigators say the underage teens were served alcohol by adults at a house party. Authorities say their blood alcohol was twice the legal limit when they got behind the wheel.
That's my Christmas this year, going out to Kelli's grave.
Pam never thought one of her children would be gone before her.
I will never be the same person. I don't think that it's an exaggeration to say my life has been ruined.
Kelli is one of thousands who've lost their lives in South Carolina roadways in drunk driving accidents. Her mother hopes she can spread news of her daughter's death to prevent people celebrating the new year to think twice before getting behind the wheel.
You have to make a plan before you drink. And then you have to make a backup plan. Because when you introduce alcohol, many times plans change. Kelli had a plan, but she didn't have a backup plan.
Just shy of the 10-year anniversary of Kelli's wreck, Pam is working on what's called KELLI'S law that would require all highway patrolmen to carry breathalyzer packs in their car. Pam says Kelli would want her to do it, so no other parent has to get that knock at the door. In Rock Hill, Alison Rauch, CN2 News.
Family's message that will hopefully protect others. Thanks, Allison. And according to the South Carolina Highway Patrol, they've made more than 14,000 DUI arrests this year. Even though state troopers do not have breathalyzer packs in their cars, they can still conduct field sobriety tests. If you see someone you think may be drunk, all you have to do is dial *HP on your cell phone to get help.